Coach Bag. This thing, when you open it up, it better be able to read my mind and tell me where everything is at, so I don't have to sit there and rummage through a bag and be looking for my toenail clippers. For the price you pay, you better have a hovering, so when I'm walking, I'm not having to. That's another thing. It better have a weight limit. If some weight, you better be able to pack some heaviness inside that bag of yours. You better be able to have that thing hovering and just be able to walk like this, making it look like you're just a geisha girl floating, and it's not holding you down. That bag better be special.